Welcome to my channel Coding Center Official. Today, we're creating a neon bubbles background with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First, let's set up our HTML structure. We'll create a simple container to hold our bubbles. Next, let's style our bubbles with CSS. We'll set up the body and container styles, and then add some animations for the bubbles. Finally, let's add some JavaScript to create and animate the bubbles. We'll use random values to vary the size, position, and color of the bubbles for a more dynamic effect. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching.